second case, so where we are going to couple total 4 ones, which is called as a quad. So grouping of 4 ones is called as a quad. So let us start with the example. So y is equal to summation m 4, 5, 6, 7. So this we were going to use using 3 variable K-map. So 4, 5, 6, 7, your output should be 1. So 4 is nothing but this, 5, 6 and 7. So here if we see, there are total 4 adjacent ones which can be grouped together. So this grouping we can show like this and see how to get the answer now. So if we see horizontally, the representation for these ones is A, and if we see vertically, okay, so here no term is common here. B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B, C and B, C bar. That means there is not a single term which you can get common. So my final answer is y is equal to A. So this is how I have reduced the given SOP equation using K-map and I got the answer y is equal to A. So I will go for the next example, summation m 0 to 8, 10. So here we can see this is a 4 variable K-map. So 16 combinations are there. So at 0 to 8 and 10, our output should be 1. So let us write down for this. So at 0, then at 2, then at 8 and 10. Okay. So here if we see, there is no adjacent ones, but as I had to explain the folding property. So this one can be folded horizontally as well as vertically, and these 4 ones can be combined together. So see, this one and this. So this is going to form a one quad, and see how the answer will be written for this. Let us see how to couple these 4 ones. So by folding horizontally and vertically, we are going to have total 4 ones and which are forming a quad. Now if we see here, if we see horizontally, so this one is having common A bar, B bar, okay. But again if I see vertically, out of these ones, again only B bar is common, okay. So I can write down B bar, okay. Again if I see for this one, CD bar, so for these 2 ones, CD bar is common, but again if I see horizontally, so out of these 2, D bar is common. So my answer for these 2 4 ones are forming, which has formed the quad B bar, D bar. So let us go for the next example. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So at this given example or given terms, we are getting the value as a 1. So at 9, 10, 11, 12, that is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 13, 14, 15, it is 1. Okay. So here you can see there are total 7 ones. So see, these 4 ones can be combined together, which is forming one quad. These 2 ones are left. Again these 2 ones can be combined with this one, so that again one more quad will be formed. Okay. Again one is left. Okay. So this can be again paired with this one. Remember, whenever we start coupling, the coupling should start with the higher number of ones. So let us start. Let us see first that 8 ones are there or not. Adjacent ones are there or not. If not, then go for the 4 adjacent ones. If not, then only you can end with the 2 adjacent ones. So here, how the reduction is done. So for this pair, horizontal it is a AB. Okay, and vertical if I see, the common thing is C bar. Okay. Now for this quad, horizontal common is A. Okay, and if I see vertically, it is D. And for the next quad, it is horizontal, it is again A, and vertically if I see, it is a C. Okay. So for this example, given example, I am getting answer AB C bar plus AD bar plus AC. We'll go for the one more case here. here we have done with all the cases of the 4 cell combinations, then we will go for the next, that is 8 cell combination. So that means 8 cells can be combined together, 8 adjacent cells, to reduce the equation. Now next is grouping of 8 cells, which is called as octet. So let us take the first example. So y is equal to summation m 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 14, 15. So at this given combination, our output is going to be 1. So at 4, 5, 6, 7, so that is 4, 5, 6, 7, and 12, 13, 14, 15. 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So here my output is going to be 1, remaining at all the output is 0. Now here there are total 8 adjacent ones, so which can be coupled together. So here if I see this horizontal representation, so here B is common, okay, and if I see horizontally, nothing is common because all 4 variables are having, all 4 literals here, combinations are having total 4 ones. So here it cannot be taken, so my answer is y is equal to B in this case. Again take one more example, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. So again at this given combination, my output is going to be 1. So at 0 it is 1, then at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. Okay. So here if we see, there are 2 quads, that is this vertical one quad and second quad. But again if I use the folding property, so I can make a octet here. So using the folding property, I can write down, or I can couple these 8 ones together, and more reduced form I make it. So here if we see, what is the answer for this one? So again the horizontally there is nothing is common, and if I see horizontally, I am getting the answer as a D bar, and so this is my answer for the given equation. So we can conclude using K-map, or K-map is a very effective method to reduce the given equation than the Boolean algebra. See, we have already seen in the Boolean algebra, so many equation has to be written, but in K-map using the pair, quad or octet, the very effectively we can get the reduced form. So we are winding up with the K-map reduction. In K-map there is one more term called as a don't care condition. Don't care condition is one. Sometimes in logic circuits, some input conditions never appear. So obviously the output related to that will never come. So those conditions which input conditions are not occurring, that is called as a don't care condition. So that is represented using D, whatever the input combination. Okay. So I'll take an example for this. So f of ABCD is equal to summation m 1, 3, 7, 11, 15. See, at this term a fixed output is there, that is output is going to be 1 whenever this input combination is there. But there are certain conditions like 0, 2, 4 which will never occur. So obviously the output for this won't be there. So those outputs will be considered as a don't care conditions. So here if we see at 1, 3, 7, 11, 15, these ones are represented. Now at don't care condition 0, 2, 4, so these don't care conditions are represented by a cross. Then at 2, then at 4. These don't care conditions are nothing but it could be anything, 0 or 1. So these conditions are very much utilized for the coupling or pairing with the ones. So this one quad can be formed, okay, and here one pair will be there. But again, if I consider these 2 don't care conditions, as I told, don't care condition can be 0 or 1. So let us assume that this don't care condition is 1, and this one I will couple as a quad. Then obviously I will be getting the more reduced form. So answer for this I will be getting as a bar, B bar, and horizontally it is C, D. So don't care conditions are very much utilized to get the more reduced form in the K-map.